Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover an exceptional opportunity in May Day Mandeville Manchester. This remarkable 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom house offers a spacious floor area of 2,500 square feet with a large kitchen and ample cupboard space, outfitted with modern, high-end fixtures and finish. This house boasts a jacuzzi in the master bathroom, tray ceiling, water tank, two-car garage with remote shutter, back patio, laundry room, veranda, and walk-in clothes closet. Brick tile will also be in place at the front entrance. This house sits on a quarter-acre landscaped lot. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make this unique property your own. Take action now. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.